This is such a blessing to me to be here, to learn, to say, hey, I can do this and I can put this in front of my students.
We are in Dallas, Texas at the VEX Educators Conference, running simultaneously with VEX Worlds.
This is also taking place during Teacher Appreciation Week here in the United States. And that's very apt because this conference is all about appreciating teachers.
What brought me here today was to talk about my girls, an event that they hosted this year all on their own.
I'm doing some research to find out how we can expand robotics in our school district.
This is my third year attending. I'm looking to improve any way I can within the classroom.
There's such positive energy here. All the educators are here with the spirit of wanting to learn and wanting to connect with each other.
The energy of the students, the energy of the educators, everyone's excited to be here to support student learning.
People ask me all the time, where do you get your energy from? It's from collaborating and talking with the teachers.
There's really something here for everybody. We get to hear a lot of inspiring keynote speakers, work on hands-on workshops.
I was invited by a number of the folks out here to give a talk on accessibility for people with disabilities.
We gave a presentation on our amazing Unified Robotics League that we started in Pittsburgh.
I came to do a workshop on supporting learners with disabilities in robotics.
A real unique part of our conference is the hands-on workshops. So now, given the opportunity to work with our education team, with our software team, to really allow you to experience what VEX is.
Not only do the sessions provide insight into specifics of each program, but you get to connect with educators around the world that are like-minded, that are going through the same struggles that you're probably going through.
We get to collaborate with other teachers in the educator lounge, lots of great networking opportunities.
I know I've already made a connection with an educator in Ghana and an educator in Canada where we're gonna link up and we're gonna have our girls mentor their girls.
I love that VEX provides a one-on-one.
You know, you're kind of like a fish out of water. You're trying to figure it out. And so many people are just like, here's my number, let's connect.
You come in and you breathe in inspiration and everybody encouraging each other. So we're able to bring that back to our children.
The best part is that it happens during the VEX World Championships.
The Educators Conference links in so well with Worlds in that we're able to walk literally down the hall and see what's possible.
You can go check on your teams, you can come learn something as an educator. If you don't have a competitive team, you get to see the inside scoop. Some people have never been to VEX Worlds.
And they can share information with teachers like me who don't have teams or are building program and have conversations about how they implemented things.
Those are all the things that we're trying to accomplish in education. You see examples of them right here at the VEX Robotics World Championships. So that's what we want these teachers to see.
I would say for a teacher that's curious, they should absolutely come. Over the years, I've seen this conference grow. Any teacher who's interested in robotics will find value.
All the tools that they provide for you, the curriculum, the robots, the demonstrations, all those things are really key for me, like saying, yes, I can do this. Yes, I can put this in front of students.
What keeps me back are new ideas, the people.
As teachers, we can often feel like we're operating on this deserted island by ourselves, and attending the conference this year was a really strong reminder for me about how important it is for us to connect.
Because it doesn't matter if you're in the beginning or your 10th year of teaching, there's always a way of growing more, of building a community and just getting together.